Ever wondered how websites actually work behind the scenes? In the next few minutes, you will understand full stack development in a way that finally makes sense. Hello, I'm Dr. Regina Anandi, Assistant Professor, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today, we are breaking down the fundamentals of full stack web development. By the end of this video, you will understand how modern web apps work. What is a full stack development? To answer this question, a full stack developer works on both sides of a web application. The front end is everything the user sees and interacts with. The back end handles logic, data, security, and server operations. Together, they form the complete flow behind every website or an app. So this is what the complete picture. A typical web app runs across 4 layers. The first one is front end. The second one is API layer, which is nothing but application programming interface layer. The third is backend. And then comes the database. Each layer has a clear role, and the real magic happens when they work in a sync. The front end technologies, which is nothing but the front end begins with the three core technologies: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML gives structure, whereas CSS handles styling, and JavaScript brings the page to life. Once you know the basic, it's time to move to frameworks. React is the top choice for dynamic interfaces. Angular offers more structure and built-in features. Vue is a lightweight and easy to learn. Any of these can help you build powerful modern apps. So, which makes a good front end? A good front end shapes the entire user experience. Responsive layouts, smooth interactions, and clean design makes the app feel polished and intuitive. The backend. This is also a main important thing. So on the backend, the focus shifts to logic and data. Node.js is a popular one if you want JavaScript everywhere. Python frameworks like Django or Flask, which is very great for structured development. Ruby on Rails and PHP also very common depending on the project. Now comes the databases. Databases store and organize applications data. SQL databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL works best when your data has strong relationship. NoSQL databases like MongoDB or IDLE when your data is more flexible and document based. So this is how the process goes. Whenever a user clicks a button or submits a form, four main things happen. The first one, the server receives this request. The second, the application processes the request, the logic. 3. The databases stores or returns data. And the final step is the server sends a response back. This cycle happens every milliseconds whenever a user clicks a button. So why do we need to learn a full stack development? Full stack skills gives you end-to-end control. You can build complete features without waiting on other teams. So you can build a complete application. This might increase your job opportunities and it accelerates development, and it's also a creative control. It enjoys complete creative freedom from the design to a deployment decision. So it also opens more job opportunities and boosts your confidence as a developer. So this is how it gets started when you want to move in the journey of full stack. A clear way to start learning this full stack development. First up, most thing, you need to master HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript. Then choose one front-end framework and build small project with it. The next step is learn a backend framework like Express, Django, or a Flask. Practice CRUD operations in SQL, and it also be NoSQL databases. Use Git to manage your code. And finally, build a full, complete project that connects the front end and the back end. To build real confidence, start with three simple but multiple projects. A personal portfolio can be one of your choices, or a to-do application with login features, or it can be either a basic blog with a small content management system. So by these, you can develop a complete project, and thus you end up with the full stack developer journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.